ಅಬಲಾಶ್ರಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಸವನಗುಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದಂತ ಜಾಗ. ನಾವು ಬಸವನಗುಡಿನವರೇ. ಅಬಲಾಶ್ರಮದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್. ಬಹಳ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಬಲಾಶ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And I have been seeing, as a resident of Basangudi, I have been seeing them grow and doing such yeoman service to women and girls. And today I visited Abhilashrama and I've seen the different skills that are being imparted. And the studio, I am so impressed with this studio that they have put together with the basic necessities, whatever is required. And this is what is called enterprise and zeal and passion to help women. And I'm very impressed because I visit a lot of educational institutions, and in most of the educational institutions, we do not even see something like this. And Abhilashrama has done it despite not being in the industry, despite not being in this kind of a profession. But it is really overwhelming to see this kind of an initiative being taken, and these are the skills that are required for women today to move forward and to become self-reliant and to get jobs and stand on their own feet. I wish Abhilashrama all the very best, and whatever I can do from my profession and my time, I'm willing to give it to Abhilashrama and see that this studio becomes one of the most sought after studios in this part of the country.